I have to grow tall, put some, wear the high heel shoe so I can see Marion. Hi everyone, Noise here. I got another special one for you today. Everyone like noodle. Everyone likes satay sauce. Noise say mix together. You listen to Noise. First of all, I gotta marinate the chicken. A lot of satay sauce and borrow that tastes no good. I gonna use Marion's special satay sauce. You see this? This is the secret sauce. Our satay sauce got too much flavor. We put a lot of things in there. Lemongrass, galangal, spices, coconut, coffee lime. And we make a little bit spicy. We like all the flavor. I never think you'll never taste one like this before. You can use like go to the gym too. Check. Oh. Open it up. Oh. Look at my muscle. I'm gonna pour a little bit in my chicken first. Mix it up. I'm using chicken side today. Can use breast too. Now I'm gonna cook my noodle. I got a Hokkien noodle here. You can use any noodle you like. This one already cooked, but you hit the heat up in the hot water. Don't overcook the noodle. Pay attention here. Drain the noodle. Don't make a mess. Okay, got it. Okay, guys, you know how it goes. Now let's cook it. Now I got a hot pan. I'm gonna add my oil. Now I'm gonna add some onion. Just stir fry and make it nice sizzling. I love this noodle. So easy to make the end of the day. Forget takeaway. You people eat too much takeaway. No. When I'm young, I save money. I don't eat takeaway. You see that no, I'm very smart, you see. Now I'm gonna put my chicken. If you stir fry till chicken is cooked. Oh, it smells good. Now the vegetable, you can add any vegetable you like. I got some cabbage, have a good sauce. Now we add the carrot. Oh, looking good. Now I got Asian green. Always have a green vegetable. Mix it up. Now I'm gonna add my noodle. Oh, looking good. Now we want a lot of sauce. Everyone loves sauce. Pour it in. Now mix it up your noodle. Oh, look at that. Oh, colorful. A little bit more sauce. Oh, it smells good. Now ready. Okay, serving up now. Look at that noodle. Another winner from Noi.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Cole, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.